Hey friends, it's Miss Stacy, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite foods, pizza. I know a lot of you out there like pizza too. So what we're going to talk about today is some graphing. And now graphing is taking information that you get and putting it on a chart and seeing how our information that we gather fits all together in a chart. Sometimes we do that in our classrooms when we take, for example, when we do our apple tasting during the fall. Sometimes we graph in our classroom what kind of apple do we like the best. Do we like green apples, yellow apples, or red apples? And we graph that information on a chart and we see how the class all together likes a certain kind of apple. We're going to do the same thing with pizza. Now, for example, I did a little graph of pizza for my family, and I'll show you the information that I got. So my graph right here shows what is your favorite pizza topping? And I asked my family. The types that we have are cheese, pepperoni, sausage, mushroom, and veggie. Now, when I asked my family members, there's 4 people in my family. There's 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks. So that means 4 people in my family of 4 like cheese pizza. So I put a 4 at the total column here. That's all the people. 4 marks, 4 total. Then I asked my family members who likes pepperoni. 3 people in my family likes pepperoni. So 1, 2, 3 marks. 3 goes in my total column here. The next one is sausage. How many people in my family like sausage? Can you see on the chart? That's right, there's 1, 2 marks. These are called tally marks. So I put 2 at the end of my column here as my total. The next kind of pizza I asked them, do they like mushrooms on their pizza? How many people in my family of 4 liked mushrooms on their pizza? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 people liked mushroom. The last topping I pick is other veggies. Now I know mushroom is a veggie, but there's other kind of veggies you can put on your pizza. You can put onions, you can put olives, you can put peppers. So I asked my family, are there any other kind of veggies that you like on their pizza? And all 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, said they liked all other kinds of veggies, not mushrooms, on their pizza. So in the column over here, I put a 4 for the total. Now the next question I have here in my chart, my graph, says, which topping had the most likes? So which topping was liked the most from my family? Let's see. So there's 4 out of my family of 4 that like cheese. There's 3 for pepperoni, 2 for sausage, 3 for mushrooms, and 4 for veggie. So that means there's a tie there. So 4 cheese and 4 veggie is the one that they liked the most. So down here on my chart, I wrote cheese and veggie. Now the next question I have on my chart here is, which topping had the fewest likes? So which one was liked the least? Which one has the lowest number? So remember, cheese had 4, pepperoni had 3, sausage had 2, mushrooms had 3, and veggie had 4. So which one was the least amount? That's right, sausage. So sausage I put on my graph to show that that had the fewest likes. And which one was my favorite topping? So I'm going to write that at the bottom here. I wrote cheese. Cheese is my favorite topping. So you can make a graph like this at home for your family and ask them what their favorite toppings are. You don't need to have a graph printed out like this. You could do it on a piece of paper and just practice writing the words cheese, pepperoni, that's a long word, sausage, mushroom, or veggie. You could also use little pictures or shapes. So you could use circles for the pepperonis and put those in your graph and add them up to the total. You could use colors, so you could use yellow for cheese, red for pepperoni. What color is this? Sausage is also red, so you could do pink. You could do mushroom, could be gray or white, and other veggies, and use those colors to graph. You could also add up our total here. So my total here is 4 plus 3 is 7. And then 7 plus 2 is 8, 9. And then 9 plus 3 is 10, 11, 12. And then 12 plus 4 is 13, 14, 15, 16. So the total in my column here would be 16. So there's a lot you can do with graphing. I hope you guys enjoy making your own pizza graph at home and enjoy maybe pizza on a nice Friday night. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.